Hello, my dear student. Welcome again to Russian Language Lab with Vita. I'm your Russian language coach, Vita. Today, let's practice writing the Russian cursive letter Y. I will repeat it again. Y. Y. Please watch carefully. So, this is the lowercase letter Y. This is our transcription. In Russian, we don't have uppercase letter Y because we don't have the words starting with this letter. Please watch. Now take a piece of paper and try writing the cursive letter Y by yourself. Write in the comments if you enjoyed this video and feel free to share your thoughts or questions below. You can also share the video with your friends who are learning Russian cursive. Thank you for learning with me and see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!